Good day, everyone. This is Wahaj from WeDevelopers, and today we are going to install Visual Studio for setting up the basic environment to get a start with our C# development. So, Visual Studio is not a free tool. But you can get the community version for free, and that's enough for us to use. So if you notice here, I have VS 2019 already installed here, and that's enough for us to go on with. But we are going to go step by step that how can you download Visual Studio from internet, installation, and getting started with the C# development. So let's get started. First, open up a browser. Okay, type in download Visual Studio 2022 community. You'll get this results. Go on the first link. There is probably the something.microsoft.com. Click on download Visual Studio. It will say thank you for downloading Visual Studio, and the installer will get started. Start downloading, and here you go. We have the installer downloaded. Click on that. Run. Okay. Yes. So this is the basically installation of Visual Studio, and most of us skip these statements, but if you want to read them, go on with it. I've already read them, so I'll just press continue. So you can see it will download all the necessary files for the installer itself, and after that we will be getting a selection screen to select the features to be installed with Visual Studio 2022. Installer is installed. It might take a couple of minutes. Okay, here you go. As I mentioned, here we have the screen, and in this screen we have options to select which type of development or which tools we need with our Visual Studio 2022. So here if we look here, I can take this as we might be moving on this section in our later course videos. I'll check this, and it will automatically select all of the necessary packages or optional packages that are necessary for the complete installation for ASP.NET and web development. Other than this, I will scroll down a bit. Let's see, Azure development, Python, Node.js, no for mobile development, .NET desktop environment.